Yeah, we're very close to it. In the next couple of the day we're organizing the webinar regarding this. Okay, thanks.
How's your work going, PK?
It's going quite well. What about you, Chintu? Everything fine?
It's going quite well, PK. As you advised, I joined the bank job. I got my first salary of 12,000 rupees yesterday. That's why I called you here for a treat.
Wow, that's great. Congratulations. You have climbed the ladder up to 12,000 from zero.
Thanks, PK. All credit goes to you. Is there any suggestion for next move? What should be my next move?
No suggestion, but a lesson for you.
Lesson?
Yeah, lesson. Lesson of money management. Look, once the money is in hand, the need for spending it also comes along. People need a proper plan to distribute the money according to the expenditure. The budget formula for rich and poor is different. Which formula do you follow will decide whether you will become rich or poor.
I didn't understand. Budget formula? What's this?
For a poor man, the budget plan is like income minus spending equals saving. It means they save only that much what is left out after spending from the income. Do you think this man will ever be able to save so much money so that he can be rich?
Although my understanding about money is not that much, still I can say that he won't be able to save enough.
Exactly.
What is the budget formula for a financially conscious man?
You have already seen the budget formula for a poor mentality. Similarly, an ideal budget formula for a financially conscious man is like income minus saving equals spending. By this way, one will always have a certain amount as a saving. Always remember, rich man always pays himself first, before paying anyone else. Your expenditure is the money you pay to others, like grocery stores, clothes store, your electricity provider, water provider, etc. So, pay yourself before paying others.
Wow, I never thought like this. How much should I save from my salary?
An ideal saving is 40% of the income. As your salary is 12,000 rupees per month, every month you have to divide your money into two parts. One part should be 7,200 rupees, that is 60% of the total income, and other parts should be 4,800 rupees, that is 40% of the total income. Keep this 4,800 rupees as your saving, and use the rest 7,200 rupees for your expenses. Make your lifestyle on the basis of 7,200 rupees only.
Okay, but what to do for 4,800 rupees then?
You have to make this 4,800 rupees as your staff, who will work for you, and earn more money for you.
I didn't get you. How to make my money as my staff?
By investing the money. Keep in your mind that you will have to buy an asset with your saved amount.
Nice joke, PK. What asset one can buy in just 4,800 rupees?
There are many such assets, dear. Asset doesn't mean only a movable property. First of all, you should know what is asset.
Yeah. I want to know.
Look, everything which gives money in your pocket is an asset, and on the contrary, everything that reduces your money is a liability.
Oh. By this way, a car should not be termed as an asset, but a liability?
It depends on the uses of car. If one is using it to earn money as a taxi, then it is an asset, otherwise it's a big liability.
Then why do rich people buy a car?
The answer lies in your question.
I didn't get it.
As you already said that they are rich people, it means those people has already reached their financial goal.
Can you explain it?
Look, one may lie in any of the three status financially: poor, middle class, and rich. The financial goal for the poor is financial security. They first pay attention to their basic need, which is food, clothes, and shelter. Similarly, the financial goal of the middle class people is to buy comfort.
What's the financial goal of rich people?
Rich people buy luxury.
Okay, PK. How to classify the financial status of a man? By knowing his net worth?
There's not any proper bracket for that, and also, it varies from place to place. In India, the status bracket is classified as 0 to 3 lakh rupees earning per annum is taken as poor class. 3 lakh rupees to 1 crore rupees earning per annum is taken as middle class, and more than 1 crore rupees earning per annum is taken as rich.
Oh. According to this, I'm lying in poor class bracket. So, should I focus only on financial security right now?
Yes, of course. Now you got the point.
So I should invest my 4,800 rupees to buy financial security?
Yes. You got it right. You should invest your amount which is safe, such as fixed deposits, government bonds, post office scheme, LIC, NPS, etc.
Now I understood. Every month I have to invest 40% of my salary to the instruments like fixed deposit, bond, ETF, or NPS, etc.
Yes. As long as 40% of your salary is equal to or less than 10,000 rupees. When 40% of your salary exceeds 10,000 rupees, that is, your salary exceeds 25,000 rupees per month, then this strategy is little changed, as you enters into the middle class bracket.
Then I will soon land into this bracket, as the bank has promised me a commission of 1% on every successful loan. If I complete even 5 successful files of 10 lakhs per month, then my incentive will be 50,000 rupees.
Absolutely, Chintu.
I learned 2 new lessons today. Rich men always pay themselves first, so if you want to be rich, save some percentage of your income before spending. And make your savings your staff to earn for you.
Yes. Also, choose the investment instrument wisely and suitable to your financial status.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, PK? We should finish our lunch now.
Absolutely.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the journey of 0 to Zillion with Chintu and PK.
Dear friends, as you have seen that Chintu climbed the ladder from 0 to 12,000 rupees, and we discussed the investment instruments for financial security, the next part of the series is going to be very interesting. So if you haven't already subscribed the channel, please subscribe it fast, so that you won't miss our upcoming episode of 0 to Zillion.
PK? As I told you, I'm gonna enter into the middle class bracket soon? Is there something special you're gonna teach me in the next episode?
Yes, Chintu. Next episode is gonna be very special.
Okay. Alright guys. Like you, I'm also excited for the next part. Till then, you enjoy this episode and make a note of the lesson. Also share the video in your group so that everyone should get benefited by it.